Broward County residents, I'm going to tell you something that no other roofer is going to tell you. Your roof may not need to be replaced. It's possibly that it could be repaired. I know you may be shocked to hear that from a roofing contractor, but if the roof doesn't have to be replaced, then yes, we can repair it. We don't want to have unnecessary insurance claims that do affect our state and drive prices up even more. My name's Chris Porosky. I'm the president and CEO of All Face Construction USA. I'm talking to you from our 26,000 square foot facility here today. We have all the materials in stock for any and every type of roof, which means we can do any and every type of repair. We have our own service team in-house that can get out there. Many contractors are going to try to push you to replacement when in fact it's not even needed. A good quality repair can get your roof back to the state where it's needed and get you through the next storm. Click the link below and let's get someone out to your house today.